OnSong lets you manage a library of songs and media for practicing and playing live. This library of songs and media exists on your device and does not require an internet connection to use. OnSong has a number of tools for managing your library, and now the ability to manage multiple libraries. Let's start by looking at some of the tools for managing your library. Tap on the gear icon to open the Utilities menu, and then tap Tools. To show how the Remove Duplicates feature works, let's tap the Edit button in the upper right corner, tap on a song, and then tap Duplicate Song. Now we have two songs called Grace in our OnSong library. Let's tap on the Utilities menu, tap Tools, and then Remove Duplicates. Now when we go back into the Songs menu, you'll see that only one song named Grace is in our library. When you delete songs in OnSong, they are not physically deleted from your library, but only marked as deleted. This is synonymous with a recycling bin or trash can on desktop operating system. Here we're going to delete a song from our library. If that was a mistake, go back into Tools, tap Undelete Songs, and the song should now reappear. That is, of course, unless you've cleaned up your library. If you've used OnSong for a long time, you may have extra files and records that can take up space and slow things down. The Cleanup Library function removes unused files, physically removes deleted songs, and runs a process on the database to speed things up. When you tap on this function, you'll be prompted to delete unused files. In addition, if you have imported files that you've later converted to text, you can optionally remove those imported files here as well. Remember that once you've run this method, any songs that you had previously deleted are removed and cannot be undeleted. OnSong is built on a SQLite embedded database. In rare cases, this database file may become corrupted if the app is force closed during a database operation. If you're finding issues with your library, the Fix Library function can correct most issues. When you use this tool, OnSong evaluates your database to see if there's any problems. If there are not problems, there's nothing that needs to be done. If there are problems, OnSong will let you know and you can agree to fix the problem. This will upload your library to OnSong servers to correct the issue and then deliver a corrected version of the database. That's a lot of technical mumbo-jumbo, but let's just say it makes it better. Newer versions of OnSong add new features that require changes to your OnSong library. This typically is performed automatically when you launch the app after an update. In the rare case that upgrades need to be run, just tap on this button. Let's say you've imported a lot of files into OnSong and want to start over. This is really easy to do with the Delete Library function. Tapping on this will delete your library and replace it with the factory library. That sounds pretty scary. But the good news is that if you really want it back, OnSong jettisons a backup of your library to iTunes file sharing. You can always restore it by going to Songs, All Songs, iTunes file sharing, and then tap on the latest backup file, like this. A new feature in OnSong 1.993 is the ability to manage multiple libraries on one device. You can use this instead of deleting your library and simply switch between multiple libraries. To access your libraries, go into the Songs menu and then tap Back or Books until you get to the Libraries menu. OnSong automatically creates a library called Default. Tap on the plus button at the bottom to create a new library by just tapping in a name. Now you can tap on either library to view its contents. If you're no longer using a library, swipe right to left and then tap Delete. For additional functions, tap on the Edit button in the upper right corner and then tap on the name of the library. Here you can delete, duplicate, and rename your library. I hope that gives you an idea of some of the library management tools available in OnSong. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@onsongapp.com. Thanks for watching.